Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Class first year, subject Maths, lecture number 14. In this lecture we discuss exercise 2.3. Question number 1. Verify the commutative property of union and intersection for the following pair of sets. Firstly, define commutative property. Commutative property is such that if we are talking about addition commutative property, then it means that there are two elements a plus b is equals to b plus a. Under multiplication commutative property is a b is equals to b a, such that a and b belongs to any real number. In this case we are talking about commutative property of union and intersection. Here are three parts given. Part number 1 is a, b. Two subsets are given. Firstly, take A union B and then take B union A. Both results are equal. It means that commutative property under union hold. And now checking under intersection, A intersection B and B intersection A. Both results equal. It means that commutative property of union and intersection are verified. Part number 2 is natural number and integer sets. Firstly, we take natural number union integers is equal to integers because integer sets is greater than natural number sets. So when we are taking natural number union integers, its result is integer sets. Now take integers union natural number set, its result is also integers. So it means left hand side and right hand sides are equal. And now checking intersection, natural number intersection integer is equals to natural number, because in this case we are talking about the thing which is common in natural number and integers, and natural number is common in natural number and integers, and integer intersection natural number is equals to natural number. So commutative property of union and intersection are verified. Question number 2. Verify the property for the sets A, B, C given below. Firstly, associativity of union, A union into B union C is equals to A union B union C. Part number 1 is, here are three subsets given. We are solving A union B union C equals to A union B union C. Its results of left hand side and right hand sides are equal. Just put the values of subsets and firstly take A union B and then take its union with C subset, and similarly firstly take B union C and then take its union with the A subset. Both results are equal, so it means that associativity under union hold. Part number B is, here are also three subsets given. We want to show that A union B union C is equals to A union into B union C. Firstly solve left hand side, in which firstly take A union B and then take its union with the C subset. Similarly right hand side, firstly take B union C and then take its union with the A subset. Both left hand side and right hand side results are equal. It means that associativity of union hold here. Similarly part number 3 is your assignment, is solved here to make your practice easiest. Next, part number 3. Now we are checking associativity of intersection. Here are also three subsets given. Associativity of intersection is, we want to show that A intersection B intersection C is equals to A intersection into B intersection C. Just put the elements of the subset A intersection B and take its intersection, then take its intersection with the C subset. And similarly right hand side, firstly check B intersection C and then take its intersection with the A subset. Both result, A left hand side and right hand sides are equal. It means that our associativity property of intersection hold here. Part number C, natural number integers and rational numbers. We want to show that natural number intersection integers intersection rational number equals to natural number intersection into integer intersection rational number. Firstly solve left hand side, which is natural number intersection integers. Its result is natural number, and its intersection with the rational numbers, its result is equals to natural number. In the right hand side, firstly take integer intersection rational number, its result is integers. And now take natural number intersection integers, its result is natural number. So here left hand side and right hand side answer are equal. It means that property hold here. Next part, distributivity of intersection or union. Here part number A, three subsets A, B, C are given. We want to show that A intersection into B union C equals to, firstly take A intersection B, then take union with A intersection C. Just put the elements of three subsets A, B and C and solve it. Left hand side and right hand side result is equal. Next part number B is similarly, here are three subsets given. We want to show that A intersection into B union C equals to A intersection B union into A intersection C. Firstly solve left hand side, take B union C, its intersection take with A subset, and in the right hand side firstly take A intersection B and then A intersection C, then both subsets take union. Similarly, part number 3 is your assignment. Next part is, here are also three subsets given. We want to show that A intersection B intersection C equals to A intersection into B intersection C. Just put the elements of subsets and solve them. When left hand side and right hand sides are equal, it means that our property of associativity of intersection hold here. Part number 3 is natural number, integers and rational numbers. We want to show that natural number intersection into integers union rational numbers equals to natural number intersection integers union natural number intersection rational numbers. Now just put the elements and solve them. Here are not the elements, they are universal subsets. So just check out integers union rational number is equals to integers and take its intersection with the natural number. Its result is natural number, and similarly right hand side is solved. Question number 5. With the help of Venn diagram, verify the two distributivity law of following sets with respect to union and intersection. One part I solved here, other is your assignment. Part number 1 is A is a subset B and A intersection C is equals to empty set and B and C are overlapping. This is condition which is given in our question. We want to show that A union into B intersection C equals to A union B intersection into A union C. We are making the diagram such that our universal set in the rectangular form and make two subsets B and C such that B and C overlaps to each other. Firstly take A union into B intersection C, and the common part where both B and C meets is a part A intersection B, and similarly make a universal set rectangle set and in which A union B intersection A union C. A union B is represented by vertical lines and A union C represented by horizontal lines. Now check distributivity of intersection or union. In this case A intersection into B union C equals to A intersection B union into A union C. In this case diagram is also shown on your screen. B union C is represented by horizontal lines and A intersection into B union C is represented by vertical and a horizontal line in the box form. And in the second diagram A intersection B is represented in the horizontal lines. Second part is your assignment. Question number 6. Taking any sets, A sets, and verify the following. Firstly we take part number 1. A union empty set. Phi represent empty set equals to A subset. Firstly take A subset and take its union with the empty subsets. Its result is also A subset. So it means that left hand side and right hand side is equal. In this way you solve part number 2 and part number 3. Now solving question number 7. If universal set is given and A subset is given, verify the following. First part is A union A complement is equals to universal set. Firstly we take A complement, which mean is U minus A. Take the element of universal set and take the element of A subsets and minus it. Now take A union A complement such that its result is universal set. Other part is your assignment. Now question number 8. From suitable properties of union and intersection, deduce the following result. Part number 1 is A intersection into A union B is equals to A union into A intersection B. Firstly, we take left hand side, in which case A intersection A and union A intersection B. A intersection A result is A and A intersection B result is A intersection B, which is our right hand side. It means that left hand side and right hand side is equal. Similarly, solve part number 2. And question number 9, using Venn diagram verify the following results. Here are 4 parts given. We solve part number 1. A intersection B complement is equals to A if and only if A intersection B is equals to phi. Firstly, make a Venn diagram such that a universal set, rectangular form, and 2 subsets A and B. Firstly, take A intersection B complement. B complement is represented by the horizontal lines in the universal set, and its result is A intersection B complement is equals to A is shown in first diagram, and in the second diagram A intersection B is equals to empty set is shown on your screen in the second diagram. And suppose A intersection B is equals to empty set, so it means that this diagram is shown that there is a node lines, there is a no dotted point, and B complement is represented in the horizontal line as tell you in previous. And A, in this case, A intersection B complement is equals to A if and only if A intersection B is equals to empty set. Similarly, part number 2, A minus B union B is equal to A union B. Firstly, take A minus B. In this case, union B. In this case, there is no point taken from universal set, just the point of A and B subsets. And A union B is shown on your screen in the second diagram. From above figure, it is clear that A minus B union B is equals to A union B. Left hand side and right hand side are equal. Here our lecture is completed. We will inshallah meet into the next lecture. Thanks students.